everybody. I am Sarah Cray, and welcome to day 6 of our 12 days of giveaway. What we have been doing is for these 12 days, we are highlighting a small business and highlighting you as our fantastic community and saying thank you for being here. We pick an item from these small businesses that we love, and we are giving it away to one of you lucky winners. Okay? Day 6. Today we have Sylvan Clayworks. Okay? She is a ceramic artist. She makes fantastic palettes, paint cups, paint holder, like all of the things, okay? And I actually have quite a few of her palettes. Let me show you what I have, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to win today. So these are the 3 that I have from her. So she makes various sizes. As you can see, these are mine, so they're a little bit dirty, but they're such beautiful quality. Like, look how thick they are. They come with these rubber things at the bottom, so they don't slide around. They stay in one place. She's a small business, and she just really does fantastic work. So I'm really excited that we can give away one of her items. So her item that we are giving away is actually this set that I love so much. It is a water cup and 2 palettes that kind of hook onto the water cup right here. And it has a little rest here for your brush.
That is perfect.
It's perfect. And the reason why I chose this one, well, because it's super cute and cool, but I love that there were 2 different palettes. And the reason for that is usually when I have all of my paints on my palette, there's one color that I have a really hard time keeping clean, mostly my yellow, if I'm being honest. So I like to set up everything, and then usually on a separate palette, that one color that I'm just using this one time or trying new, or that I need to keep clean and separate from everything else, I'll put it over here. And so I was just like, oh, that's perfect. So maybe you guys also struggle with that, and this is a great solution for that problem. Okay?
All right.
So Michael here has our thing that we're pulling from. So we are going to do a drum roll.
The winner of the Sylvan Clay palette and water cup is Seveline Darmstadt.
Seveline, congratulations. I'm so excited for you to get this. It's so beautiful. Okay, this is what I love about small businesses is they create functional pieces, but they're so beautiful also. And I think that that is important. I love so much that there are these artists and these creatives that say, how can I put my own voice into something like a palette and a paint cup? How can I solve this problem and also create something that is beautiful? And it's so amazing to see the creativity that comes along with that and what people come up with. And it's just wonderful sitting down to your desk and having something right there that you just love helping you with your creativity. I really feel like it enhances the experience. So I'm so excited for you to get this. We'll send you an email to get your shipping address. If you guys are interested in looking at any of the products I have here and you want to support Sylvan Clayworks, we're going to put her website in our caption. And I also want to say one thing, and I actually should have been saying this the whole time, which is you cannot approach these small businesses the same way we approach Amazon, Target, whatever. They don't always have everything in stock, because they make these with their hands, right? So they usually have to do batches of them. So if they don't have what you're looking for, show some patience, just get on their email list and just wait for the next drop, that kind of thing, or send them a kind email. But really, it's as someone who owns a small business, and we're doing our best to get those emails of people being like, I can't believe you don't have it. It's actually really disheartening.
Yeah, we're trying.
We're only 3 people. You know what I'm saying? Baby. We're just a baby. Anyways, so just a reminder that don't get disheartened if you go to their website and they don't have it in stock right then. Follow them, just stay on their social channels, watch for their drops, or just ask if they can do something custom, that kind of thing. And thank you so much for being here and being a part of this. And I'll see you guys back for day 7. Bye.